tension rupture is critical in case of these connections at the net area. So the tension rupture occurs when the stress on the effective net area of the section is large enough to cause the member to fracture. So when the stress in this section reaches Fu, if we see the stress strain curve, we have curve like this. So here we have yield strength Fy, and here we have Fu, ultimate strength. And when a section reach its ultimate strength, so after that it will rupture, it will fail, just like a crack will appear and it will fail, it will change or it will convert into two pieces. So rupture failure will occur when the stress is large enough to cause the fracture, so which usually occur across a line of bolts. So this occurs across the line of bolts, either in this direction or either over here like this. So here if we see, here it is along this line of bolt. Okay, so we can see this picture here. The failure is along the line of bolt, from the line of bolt here as well. Okay, so the question is how this failure occurs. For that we need to understand a concept from this figure. For example, we have a plate and we insert a bolt in this hole. So when we apply the force over here, so in this plate, in the surrounding of this bolt, there will be tensile stresses, and these tensile stresses will have the higher value or the highest value near at the edge of the hole, and this stress will continue to decrease away from this hole or away from this bolt. When we go on increasing this load, so this stress will go on increasing. A stage will come when this stress at this point will reach to Fy. So here it will reach to Fy, sigma Fy, the yield strength of this plate. And because of this yield stress, the material near to that or at that location will yield and it will deform, and then the next fiber will reach its yield strength, and then the next, and this will continue, and the previous fibers will continue to deform. A stage will come when the first fiber that have yielded first, it will reach its ultimate strength, sigma U or Fu. So when this fiber will reach at its ultimate strength, so instead of further deformation, there will start fracture. So that fiber will fracture, and then the next fiber will reach its ultimate strength, and then the next. And as these fibers go on in reaching their ultimate strength, the fracture will continue to propagate in this direction. So if here is a hole, so first the first fiber will fracture, then the next, and in this way the fracture will continue to grow from hole toward the edge of the member. So this type of failure occurs when the stress inside the member reaches its ultimate strength of that material.